Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am doing just a very quick hairstyle tutorial for you guys, so I really hope you like it and I'm going to go straight into it. So I'm literally just going to spray my GHD heat protecting spray all over. Guys, it's so important to use a heat protecting spray every time you style your hair, so don't ever forget to use that. So I'm just going to comb through my hair. Okay, what I'm going to do is part my hair to the side, but at an angle. Just like so. And then I'm going to literally put my hair into two rough sections. I'm not entirely curling my hair, but I'm going to do a few soft waves and then styling the rest of the hair. So I'm just going to get my clip and pin this side whilst I do a few soft curls on this side of my hair. Just before I start curling, I'm going to spray my flexible wax, and I'm just going to spray this lightly on top, and then literally just going to grab big sections, guys, so you don't need to do neat sections, big sections. And I'm using my GHD curling iron, and whoops, literally just clipping it in and then twisting it and bringing it all the way down, and take it all the way down, guys. Perfect. And then just twist the curl back. I'm going to do that again, big sections, and taking it back and then just twisting it all the way down. Same thing, just curl it back. It doesn't matter if they're not neat. Our main aim is that we get some curls in, because we're going to sort of brush this out anyway. But it's because my hair is really straight, so this just gives that added volume. So just do this to the rest of your hair, all over. A lot of people ask me, okay, what's the difference between using tongs and a wand? Now, when you're curling your hair and you want there to be precision in the way that you're holding your wand or your curling iron, then it's easier to use a curling iron like this, because you can clamp the hair and you're at the same time as curling it, you're making sure like each strand has been is smooth. Whereas when you do it with a wand, you don't have that control. You do, but you don't. So it depends on like how you curl your hair, but this just gives you a bit more control. And if you do want to style your hair with having sort of like volume and like having waves and stuff like this, then it's easier to use a curling tongue like this, or like the vintage waves. Then you need this. It's a lot easier. I feel like I only ever use a wand if I just want to do like soft curls, and if I want to basically just do something like super quickly that's soft, and it doesn't really matter about like the detail. I'm just using this one because on my previous hair tutorial I used my other tongue, so I thought I'd show you how to use a tongue and not a wand. So I used a wand before. I'm getting confused. And because I did like wash my hair today, it's the reason why I applied the wax. The wax allows the hair to just become nice and soft and smooth again. Okay, now this front section, I'm just going to make sure that it's a neat section, so I'm just going to go back and tidy up my parting, which I thought it was, but clearly it wasn't. And I'm just going to split this into 2 bits. So take it backwards and lift it by the root, and this will give you that added volume. Keep going. And I've rolled it back, and this will give you a root lift. Do you see how the curl, like this set of curl is a lot more bouncier? Okay. Just comb through that section, and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to take it back. And lift it up. And I'm kind of bringing it, I'm pulling my hair and the wand. Well, I'm not pulling my hair, but I'm taking it in like the forward direction, and that, each time I do that, it's as if you're blow drying your hair, so you're getting that volume put into your hair. That's it. And I'm just going to let that sit there for a second, so that it just cools down. Should give us a really nice wave and volume in the hair. And I'm just going to spray this at the roots very gently, and then I'm going to go in with my fine comb and just give it a bit of a tease from the back and the side, and then I'm just going to comb through so it just gives it that neat finish again. And it's just given me that umph in this part of my hair. Now the reason why I wanted to do this, and I only did this at the front, is because this side of the hair, what I am planning to do is I'm literally going to create an ear section. That wasn't very neat. Create an A section, like so. Get my hair, comb through, give it a slight tease to the root, and then I just gave it a slight push, and then I'm going to grip this is 2 powder pins. So I'm going to put one in front, like that, and then another one. Like that. So it looks pretty on the side too. And then you have this really nice, soft, glammy feel So yeah, this is the finished look, and super easy, super simple, but yet very effective. Like, you can do this for weddings, parties, anything, and honestly it is so straightforward and it will stay. This will actually last all night, and the trick is these tongs, and they're honestly amazing, and also the sprays. So I highly recommend the flexible spray wax and the hard hold hairspray. And yeah, I really hope you've liked this tutorial, and it's very easy for you, so I really hope I really hope you guys like it.